What's up, guys? Good afternoon. Today is a super exciting day, so welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Gabe GTZ Vlogs. First of all, I want to tell everybody thank you that has been subscribing, that's been sharing my stuff. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys, especially everybody that comments down below and gives me some positive notes. Thank you so much. Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. All right, sorry about that. As I was saying, today I don't even know where I left off, but it is an exciting day because Statistics Ironworks hit me up this morning and said, or asked me if I can make it to their shop today, which is like 3.5 hours away, and I'm currently 20 minutes away. So you guys already know. We're getting the big wing put on this car. I'm super stoked about it. I think you guys are like really stoked about it because those are the main comments that I keep getting is that you guys can't wait for me to get the big wing on here. So yeah, you guys heard that right. We're gonna be the no bumper big wing gang from now on. I'm super stoked about this, man. I'm like I just want to go. I just want to get there already and get this thing put on. And not to mention that I'm actually gonna have a picnic table now in the back of my car. If you guys enjoy all this video, we're gonna be installing this wing. Big shout out to Statistics Ironworks. If you guys ever need a big wing for your Lamborghini Huracan, or if you get what they mainly specialize in is like air ride suspension for your trucks, cars, whatever you guys need. They also have air ride suspension for Lamborghini Huracan, which is pretty tempting, not gonna lie, but I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that. I kind of want to, and I kind of don't. Waiting for lowering springs, but the air ride suspension just sounds so much cooler, and I can lay it out. I don't know, I'm so lost. The springs, I don't know. I'm just gonna, let's get my wing put on. Let's go get my wing. Just pulled up to Statistics Ironworks. Dude, check this out. Liberty Walk 430, wide body 650 right there. Sick. I think he's doing all the suspension work on all these. This thing is dope though. There it is, guys. Wing is on the car. I'm telling you guys need to hit up Statistics Ironworks if you guys have not yet. Link is in the description. Dude did an amazing job, honestly, guys. Yeah, so sick. He also like they went out of their way and they made me a camera mount that's actually gonna mount here. And yeah, I'll have my rear view camera again, so I'm excited about that. But there she is, dude. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so sick. Big difference. Just ended up grabbing a bite to eat at In-N-Out, and no, I didn't get to use it as my table just yet. I was going to go and hang out with the boys in Orange County, but it's just getting way too late. I have to be home tonight, and it's already 6. Oh my god, I didn't even notice. It's already 6 o'clock, but it's all good because I'm gonna be with all the boys next weekend on our rally to Napa. That is gonna be one sick rally. I'm excited for you guys to come along with me and all of us, the entire crew. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys have not followed Statistics Ironworks, you guys go follow them. I don't know what you're waiting for. They do all of these chassis mounted wings on all these Huracans that you guys see done. They currently have that Liberty Walk 430 you guys seen there. They have another McLaren wide body that you guys seen. I thought it was a 650, but that is not a 650. It was an MP4. So it's just like the car that I had, but with like an entire different wide body kit on it. It is so sick. You guys go check that out. Go check out their work. They do some amazing fab work, as you guys can tell on the wing. The big wing gang is what we're in now. That is going to be it for today's vlog. I am going to just put this thing throttle mode and coast it all the way home, and just relax, because I literally just ate breakfast and it was like, I don't know, like 5 something when I ate breakfast. It sucks. So I wasn't really feeling too good all day. Super stoked about the wing though. It turned out a lot better than I thought. It's like, I just love looking, like, I just look in my mirror and all I see is a big wing. There it is. See, look in the mirror, big wing. Looking at mirror, big wing. Looking, oh, and then another thing, I did kind of mention it a little bit. So as one of the dudes was putting my wing on, right, the other was out back, and I was like kind of wondering what he was doing, and he comes back with a fully fabricated like camera mount for my camera. So I get to mount my camera, which I'm super stoked about, because I miss having a camera on this thing, because you literally cannot see back. I mean, this car is the worst for visibility, especially when you're reversing. Seriously guys, this car sucks for that. But like I said guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys make sure go give Sadistic Ironworks a follow please on Instagram. Dope dudes. We're gonna be working in the future with some other stuff that we're actually talking about, so you guys stay tuned for that. Always remember, what we think, we become. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.